there is a few settings that we will need to check just before getting started with Herdwatch. So one of the first ones is dependent on what phone you're connecting to your Herdwatch app. So I have an iPhone with me at the moment, so I'm just going to make sure the setting is correct. So for that, I'll just go to menu, and then I'll go to setup, and then I'm going to go to interface setup, and then Bluetooth, then down to set Bluetooth profile. IAP is the setting that we need for iPhones, and if you have an Android like a Samsung, you can select SPP. But for this one, it's on the correct setting, so I can just cancel and exit out of this. Another setting that's quite useful is the timeout setting. So once you get connected to the app, you don't want your reader switching off and having to reconnect. So in order to extend this, we can just go into settings again. We can go into setup, and we can go into display. And in here then, it's set switch off time. So I think this is default to 60 seconds. At the minute, it's 60 minutes. This means that after 60 minutes, the device will shut off automatically. I can change this to a less or a greater amount of time, and if needs be, I can switch off manually. So now that those two settings are correct, I can start recording some information on the Herdwatch app.